Welcome back, everyone. I am up at the deer farm. Oh, my bottle wasp trap fell over. Just come to have a scope out on the bees. I took a split off that hive last time, so that's super up the top there. I want to take that away. Have a little gander. They're busy though, look. They are busy bees. Do you think they're going to be aggressive bees? Most probably. I need to get that off of that trailer because I need the trailer. I'm not quite figured out how I'm going to do it yet. Obviously I'm going to need some assistance. That is big and that is heavy. We ain't took no honey out of that this year, so that's possibly going to happen. The drones, I see drones going in and out of that one. So yeah, obviously this one's got a nice new queen now, a late season queen, and she pumped out the brood. We might have a look in there and I'll show you, but it was rammed full of brood, so that's good. So all these hives here are queen right, although this one possibly, we don't know because we've not checked it all year. We've checked it once this year. That is like minimal maintenance beekeeping right there. Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? That's supposed to be Dr. Leo Shashkin's natural lions hive, that natural beekeeping. But there will be a video when I do go in that. There'll be a big video. It'll be long and it'll be boring, but you'll get to see all in the hive, the grand palace, and see if there's any honey and how big the colony is, because the colony is massive. It's been massive all year, the whole box full. But it does seem like they've come to this end more now, but they are still using the other door, so it could still be all the way across. It could be 2 colonies. It was built to house 2 colonies, living next door to Alice. Yeah, so I'm going to suit up and we'll have a look. I'm going to nip round all the sites today, change out the wasp bait, because unfortunately I am working tomorrow. Yeah, that hive there is on it. They're busy. They're busy. They're busy. They're busy. So I'm going to go into this hive first because I want to take this super away from them. We might possibly end up giving it to them ones, but I doubt it. Doubt it. I need some different wasp bait down here. Yeah, they're busy bees today. So I'll remove the super off that hive. This hive now, the queen right, is super calm. That hive was a lot calmer, although I only removed the super, so don't get too excited. But yeah, this one, I'm going to have a look through this. So look at that pollen. Beautiful. So they're so calm now, such a difference. So I don't know if you'll see, but we've got plenty of nice fresh brood in there. Just got that purple pollen around the edge of them, look. So we've not met the queen in this hive, but there's definitely one in there. The yeah, the bees are humming. The weather's warm, so the propolis is really sticky. Which might even be on here. I've not got a magnet mount for my camera, so I'll see what I can see. So you'll see she's got a beautiful pattern. Beautiful. And the bees, as I say, they're so calm now. It's both sides is like that. I don't want to drop it. So we didn't see the queen in that hive, but she's definitely in there. Anyway, I'll do the big lions hive another day. So I took supers off. Took the super off that one that I wanted to take off. And I took 2 supers off of that because they're not doing anything in them. they're in that super that's on it, which they'll probably have over winter. Although that's a commercial brood box, so we'll see. Depends if it's got brood in it. But they're on double brood still, and they've got a super which is pretty full, so they'll probably just overwinter on the double brood. But again, we'll see. There's a lot of wasps up here again. I've just changed some bait in the wasp trap. It's not a very good wasp trap, that. I'll have to get another one for up here. Yeah, done up here. Next site. Look, Cliff can't see us, his hats fell down above his eyes. Hey Cliff, you can't see us.